DS Automobiles just unveiled the tailor-made No4 concept, a one-off design study created in collaboration with Taylor Barnard, the brand's new driver in the ABB Formula E World Championship. Based on the DS No4, the concept is not intended for production, but instead serves as a stylistic and conceptual exercise that highlights DS Automobiles' approach to bespoke design and its close ties between motorsport and road cars. Developed jointly by Barnard and the DS Design Studio, the vehicle reflects his personal tastes and influences, including racing culture and video games, translated into a bold, high-tech aesthetic. Visually, the tailor-made concept stands out through extensive use of titanium-inspired finishes, such as pure titanium, liquid titanium, craft titanium, and black titanium, combined with light gold accents from the DS Performance line. Purple highlights, Barnard's racing number 77, and distinctive graphic elements reinforce the personal and motorsport-driven character of the car, while the illuminated front grille and light signature remain connected to the production No4. Guys, do you like this concept car? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks.